Over 2,000 years ago, ancient Greek engineers built something that wouldn't be seen again for more than a millennium. A mechanical computer made entirely of bronze gears. It's called the Antikythera Mechanism, and new research suggests it may have been doomed to fail within months of its creation. The Antikythera Mechanism is a hand-cranked system of interlocking bronze gears designed to calculate and display repeating astronomical cycles. It tracked the movements of the sun and moon, predicted eclipses, and served as a sophisticated calendar. The device was recovered from a shipwreck in the early 1900s, where it had spent over 2,000 years corroding on the Mediterranean seafloor. Now, physicist Professor Esteban Guillermo at the National University of Mar del Plata in Argentina has used computer simulations to digitally rebuild the ancient machine and test how long it could actually function. His findings reveal that tiny manufacturing errors in the hand-cut gears would cascade through the linked system, eventually causing the entire mechanism to jam. The simulation found that tooth shape mattered far less than gear spacing. Even small variations in the distance between gear centers could cause teeth to catch instead of roll smoothly. An off-center axle would make the gap between meshed gears pulse wider and tighter with each turn, converting smooth motion into sudden binds. One frozen gear pair could halt everything connected to the single crank. Under realistic error conditions, most simulated runs stopped early. The survivors kept slipping out of sync. This suggests the mechanism's main problem wasn't accuracy, but reliability. The research also highlights a complication. 2 millennia of corrosion have blunted tooth tips and shifted gear centers, making it difficult to know exactly how precise the original craftsmanship was. If the ancient makers cut their gears with smaller errors than we can now detect, the same design could have tracked months and eclipses for years. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.